now, how do we get this boring of the holes down here into this piece? Edit operations, zoom in if you can't see your holes. All right, easy way to do this. Select the line bore group here. They're all selected. Now up here in quantity, check, let's say 2 or 3 more, right? We've added 2 or 3 holes, right? They're coming through. Coming up top there. Thing is, we need to move them down. You would have to adjust the X axis digit. And I want the first hole to be up 3/8 of an inch from the bottom. In fact, I want it 3/8 of an inch from the top as well. That's what the customer wanted. So I knew that this X value, instead of being 4.124 something, the customer wanted it to be 3/8. Now that I've added the extra holes, what do you know? All those holes that were up here are fit perfectly on the piece. And that is how you quickly add holes to the ends of your piece in Mozaik Software. Simple and effective. I wanted to show you something that I figured out for a client of mine recently that I thought might help some of you guys. So, first things first, within the product editor, always have your View 3D product box open on the side while you work. Super helpful so you can see changes in real time. If you got some value out of this video, please give it a like, subscribe for more Mozaik tips, and contact me for Mozaik training. Bye-bye. Have a good day.